time to get to work. Yoo-hoo! Well, if anyone asks, or if anyone wants to know how the bike does in the rain, there you go. Oh, beautiful. If anyone wants to know how this bike does in the rain, it's been raining all night and it's still raining right now. And it's doing pretty well, so I wouldn't worry about the rain. Hope I'm getting a right camera angle. Probably shouldn't be swerving like that, it is slightly raining. It would be easier if I put my down the balls. Be easier if I put my visor down. Oh, where are you going, pal? Fucking hell, no indicator, absolute twat. Yeah, getting to work is fun road actually, I'm not gonna lie. There you go, yeah. So, to say, I am 6 foot, 120 plus kilos, I'm a big bastard. And I'll tell you what, this bike's doing me really well. It's got its pluses and minuses, but it's doing really well. Go. Come on, lad. How it does in the rain? It does alright. It's fucking big. Come on, lad. There you go. It's fucking big. It rides well. What lane am I supposed to be in? I don't know. Guess we'll see. We'll see when we get till we get there. I'm going. Say after that, it's a really good bike, obviously. Pluses and minuses like every other bike. It's big, everyone thinks it's about 400. Tyres are massive, looks awesome. Flat's pulling out all the time, but that's just, where are you going? That's just, you know, the norm. Getting some new mirrors for it, so that's going to be fun. It's going to look sporty. I'm going to be able to look like I'm going to be quick. I won't be quick, but I'll look like it. It's always a plus. Wanted to go? Not my problem. And then I hate this place. This place is disgusting and there's retards everywhere. Oh wait, I can't probably say that. There's idiots everywhere. Nah, there's retards everywhere. Oh, what's going on there? Any more? Nope. Not that I care about. Watch some idiot pull out on me. There you go. And I'm just gonna scooch in. Come on. Behind me is, oh, he's mad. Oh, he got in front of me. Wow, cheeky bastard. And what are you doing, pal? Where are you at? Watch these people's drives, like fucking hell. Damn. Going any quicker, mate, or you go any slower, see, it's raining and so far I haven't fallen, so far. Fucking hell, come on, mate. I'm only going 18. Speed up, can't you? I'm gonna take you guys to the scenic route. Ooh, I don't even know if you can hear me. But I'm gonna take you through the nice and scenic route. Nah, I'm joking. It's an alright route. You can see the beach, but nothing major about it. Anyone behind me? Yeah, it's still that big. I ain't letting you off, fuck you. Go on, any day now, any day. Alright, I'm going because you're thinking like. Alright, what are we slowing down for? Oh, I should have slowed down for the grandma. Oh well. Happens, doesn't it? Isn't. Oh my god, I am so happy I'm a bike. Oh, the joys. Oh, the joys. Oh, the joys. Oh, the joy. Oh, oh, God, I love it. Oh, God, I love it. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, you guys gonna have fun staying in traffic. Yeah, I'm sure I can pop in somewhere. There you go. Ah, just squeezing it right here, won't ya? Thanks, lad. Thank you very much. I won't. Nah, I won't. It's fine, but I won't. Thank you. Oh, lovely. Now, wasn't that just sweet, was it? The joy of having a bike. I should, but I don't care. Pedestrians. Nothing on the tracks anyway, so I like it. Dogs. Oh, that filtering. Oh, that just feels so good. That just feels really good. Yeah, I'll be first. I don't mind being first. Even if it's 1 or 2 cars, who gives a fuck? Oh, I didn't show you guys the beach, that's a shame. I'm sure we'll go there every once in a while, once or twice, won't we? I look like I know someone that I do, but I don't. But I fucking do. Oh, you are so lucky you are about to be second in your Beamer. You'll be, hey, get a Beamer, hey, yeah, baby. It's always the Beamers. It's always the Beamers that cry. Gotta turn in here, you lucky baggers. Oh, you turning as well? Well, then I guess I'm gonna follow you, right? Oh, this is a bad area. There's idiots walking out all the time. Like these gangsters, for example. Look at them, got there. These are proper gangsters. Oh, hey, beautiful. Oh, I love that Duke. Oh, I love Dukes. I'm not going to say where he parks, but I think I know where it is. If that was him. Come on, lad, you're a Beamer. You're supposed to be way over the speed limit. You're actually supposed to be doing like the triple of it. What the fuck is this? Why do I get the broken Beamer? It's not even a bump, mate. It's just a slight. Why do I get a broken Beamer? What in the fuck? Thank you very much. Green light, green light. Oh, there's so many people. Oh, I hate this place. Town centre of Bournemouth. Hate it. That's probably a stolen boy. But yeah, town centre of Bournemouth. Nothing nice around here. You're not even close, so I'm just gonna go, Grandad. You hear that, Grandad? There's a car right there. Oh, I'm not doing a car on the street, I'm a Grandad. I can't see shit. Break the pills. I wish I could filter this, but unfortunately, I do drive and ride a 125. I try and overtake many people. I might end up backstabbing myself. Oh wait, this is a 20. Don't mind the speed. Well, actually that was a 30, so nothing illegal was done there. This is a 20. This is a 20, so no, see, it's a 30. Speed up! Massive. That's a bitch. That is a bitch. When you go on that hurts your ball. Like, ew. Oh, there's no one behind me, so I can chill out, relax. Maybe say a bit about the bike. Oh, I'm getting new mirrors. I said that before, but I'm getting new mirrors, and nice and pointy ones. So I'm gonna look like a speedy guy, and I'm gonna be going about 30 to 40 miles per hour, so watch out, big speed. What else? I've got some new red levers. Don't pull out at me, yeah, you work it out, don't pull out at me. We've got some red levers, they're coming today I think, so that's going to look nice. Don't know when I'm going to change them, but who knows? sometimes might be good. Well, yeah, when this bike says it does, I think 14 litres, that's a lie. That's a big old lie. I get like fucking 7-8 litres and that fills me up. That's a lie and a half. But I'll tell you that, if you get a nice exhaust on this bike, oh, you will not regret it. This stock exhaust is a pile of shit. It looks disgusting, and it feels illegal to ride with because it's so bad. It's so ugly. So I recommend. Well, what I have right now is a Black Widow, and it's not picking up great on camera. What the fuck are you doing? It's not picking up great on camera. I assume, but it's nice. It's really nice. It's loud as fuck. The neighbours complain. Everyone complains. Oh, I'll let you go. Go ahead. That's alright. That's alright. I'll be nice like that. Well, yeah, neighbours complain, which is always a plus. You gotta love when they're like, hey, too loud, no. Well, you can fuck right off. But yeah, the exhaust is nice. Then, to be fair, I've literally just have the end cam, the slip-on. I don't have anything else with it, so I really cannot complain about it. You could try a Lextech. They sound gorgeous. So I used someone with one, and what? They really do sound gorgeous. Aquapovic, always can't go bad with that. This is a 60, so yeah, Aquapovic, you can never go bad with that, you know. What else can I do? See, none else are really perfect for this, because this is... Oh, what? Because this isn't, you know, it's a single cylinder, so they don't sound perfect. Unless you like those. I'm not the biggest fan of the single cylinder. I don't even like the twin cylinder. I want an MT-09 because it sounds beautiful. But that's going to be my next bike. An MT-09 SP. MT-09 SP will be my next bike after I do my A2, so we'll have to be restricted, unfortunately. But I don't care, it's a beautiful bike and I want it. It sounds amazing. Speaking of sound, listen to this. Yeah, you see? See, you like the sound of that? Well, you should, because it's fucking gorgeous. Alright, calm down. You gotta stop, don't you? Cheeky sod. There you go, and you're going with me. What's going on down there? I don't particularly feel like waiting, so I'm gonna go. There's no way. I won't be able to fit through that, at least for now. No, I'm not. I don't really want to get in that. Might hurt. Someone hits me. I don't really want to wait in this either, though. Such a big... bit iffy that, bit iffy. I'm supposed to stop here. I would let you go, but I'm not going to, so you can back the fuck up. That wasn't a sign of me letting you go, you twat. That was a sign of me having to stop and I could give, stay clear. Oh god. Wanker. Absolute dipshit. Oh well. Here's what it is. This is the lovely place. I think this is now Parkstone. I don't know. I'm shit with places. Oh, my apologies. I'm horrible with places. Don't ask me where I am. Oh, look at him in this Ford. He thinks he's a legend. He thinks he's an absolute legend, that guy. That was this looking? Yeah, you guys look around about, that's fine by me. Means I can go. What are you looking at? You just slow down there. I haven't actually gone past yet, you little tough spot. You little tough spot. What's going on here? What's going on here? Right, there's no way for you to smack into me. Damn. That's a bit of a bummer, isn't it? Bit of a sticky situation. We're in a bit of a sticky situation, Mr. Krabs. Ooh, someone's vaping. Someone's inhaling it. Smelly air. That was 16 minutes. I thought that was going to be way longer. I'm going to work now. I'll be really early. What? I would go for a ride here, but I don't fucking know this place. I don't particularly want to get lost. I don't know where I am. You'd think I do because I work here, but Oh, that's fine. It was still a green light. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about it. I bet that better not been on me. I better not fucking been on me. Parking's tooketh. The parking giveth and the parking taketh away. Any day now, lads. Go on. Let's speed up. I wonder if I'm going to have a parking spot. I do have to park quite a bit away from my job, because there's no parking at my job. But oh well. I'm sure we can manage to live and learn. Live and learn. Oh wait, oh, you want me to let you go? Okay, just kill me. Kill me, why don't you? Just fucking kill me, why don't you? I guess that works. What the fuck? That wasn't me letting you go, mate. What the fuck was that? What the fuck was that as well? Hey, we live. Oh, is that a parking spot there? I see. No one getting there. No one getting there. You don't get in there. I'ma taketh. The Lord giveth and the Lord taketh. I wait here. You guys can get past, can't ya? I see a spot right down there. Go on, Minnie. I should have gone there. Oh well. If you take my spot, I'm gonna be pissed. I giveth and I taketh, and I took this fucking spot. Do I want to be facing the other way? Ah, it don't matter. And less through and thingy. Beautiful. Right, let's take this bad boy out. Boy, let me see the quick, how the range looking, how everything's looking. As you can see my little Black Widow can. Yeah, it's beautiful. Cool. Well, hope you enjoyed.